Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan bagi kita semua. So today I will tell you about Ecuador civil law. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Ega Sulfikar Fikansyah. I'm from Rumble Tree, and with the student ID number 25080102231. And let's go. Ecuador adopts a civil law legal system that traces its origins to Roman law, Spanish colonial legislation, and later influence from the Napoleonic Code. This system prioritizes written legal norms, meaning that legislation serves as the main source of law. The Constitution of 208 stands at the top of the hierarchy and guides the formulation of all statutory rules. As a result, Ecuador's legal structure is characterized by detailed codification and a strong emphasis on statutory interpretation. The Ecuadorian Civil Code, originally modeled after the Chilean Civil Code, drafted by Andres Bello, forms the core of the nation's private law. It governs essential areas such as family relationship, property ownership, contractual obligation, and succession. These regulations are organized systematically, reflecting the traditional civil law approach to providing comprehensive legal guidance. The Civil Code ensures predictable legal outcomes by defining rights and obligations in precise structured terms. In Ecuador's civil law tradition, judicial decisions do not carry the binding precedent typical of common law system. Although high court decisions may influence lower courts, the judiciary primarily applies and interprets written legislation. This reinforces the role of the legislature as the primary lawmaking body and limits the creative authority of judges. The judicial process itself tends to follow inquisitorial principle, with judges taking an active role in fact finding and guiding the proceeding. The judicial structure for civil matters is composed of several levels, starting with the civil trial courts, followed by the provincial courts, and ultimately the National Court of Justice. Additionally, the Constitutional Court plays a vital role in ensuring that civil laws and judicial decisions align with the Constitution. It presents strengthens the protection of fundamental rights and help maintain coherence within Ecuador legal system. Judicial oversight is therefore an important aspect of maintaining legal certainty. A unique feature of Ecuador legal landscape is its recognition of legal pluralism. The Constitution acknowledges the authority of indigenous justice system, allowing indigenous communities to apply their own customary norms in civil and internal disputes. This coexistence of national civil law and indigenous customary law demonstrates Ecuador's commitment to multiculturalism and social inclusion. However, indigenous justice must still conform to constitutional principles and international human rights standards, ensuring harmony between tradition and modern legal requirement. So, this is a civil law system in Ecuador. So, thank you and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.